Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about BMI calculator. In this video we will explore how to calculate body mass index BMI. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my videos. If you are enjoy this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Define a function named calculate BMI that takes two parameters weight and height of type double. Calculate the BMI using the formula weight by height into height and returns the result. Find the main function, the entry point of the program. Declare two variables of type double, name weight and height, to store the user weight and height. Asking the user to enter their weight in kilograms. Reads the user input for weight and store it in the variable weight. Asking the user to enter their height in meters. Reads the user's input for height and store it in the variable height. Calculate BMI using the function which provide height and weight values and store the result in the variable BMI. Display the calculate BMI to the user. If statement to check if the BMI is less than 18.5. Display message indicating the user is underweight. Else if statement checking if the BMI is less than 25. Display a message indicating the user is normal weight. Another else if statement checking if the BMI is less than 30. Display a message indicating the user is overweight. The else statement for when none of the previous conditions are met, indicating obese. Return 0 indicating successful program execution.